Learning a new language can often feel daunting, especially when it seems like there are countless phrases to memorize. To ease this challenge, here's a list of common Spanish phrases along with their English translations that are ideal for beginners. These phrases not only introduce you to the Spanish language, but also enhance your vocabulary as they cover a wide range of everyday situations and emotions. 1. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? This phrase is essential when coordinating schedules or planning your day. 2. Estoy cansado/e. I'm tired. Use this phrase to express fatigue, whether you're at work, school, or traveling. 3. Tengo hambre. I am hungry. An indispensable phrase in restaurants or around meal times. 4. Tengo sed. I am thirsty. Similarly important when you find yourself in need of a drink. 5. Buen provecho. Enjoy your meal. A courteous phrase you can use to wish someone well before they eat. 6. Estoy feliz. I am happy. This straightforward phrase helps you share your joy or contentment. 7. Feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday. Perfect for birthdays, showing that you remember and care. 8. No tengo idea. I have no idea. This phrase is versatile, useful in conversations or when asking for help. 9. Es una emergencia. It's an emergency, a critical phrase to know in urgent situations. 10. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Useful for greetings and making polite inquiries about someone's well-being. 11. Estoy bien. I am fine. A simple response to let others know you're doing okay. 12. Estoy enfermo/diagonal. I am sick. Informative for when you need to communicate your unwellness. 13. Buena suerte. Good luck. A friendly way to show support or encouragement.